What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video on this channel. It's your boy Gabbyproscra and I'm back on another video. I'm going to be showing you how you can make a beat loops. Then you just are supposed to fill in the missing letters like in primary baby class. What the fuck that mean? Okay, what we're going to do here right now, I'm going to make a beat with a loop. This loop is in the style of artists like Alinsky and Diamond Platnumz, one of those artists. I'm going to play. As you can see here, I've switched off everything that I've added. Switch them over, playing only the loop playing. So this is how the loop was clean. That was the loop without anything that I added. So now I'm going to show you. I'm going to open and I play for you here the difference with the ones I added. This is it when I added some things there.
Gabbyproscra, you won't make this shit.
As you can hear, I've added so many things on this one. I played a violin there, I played some pads, I played some strings. So that's what I'm going to be showing you now. Not to waste so much time, I tried following the same chords. I created some chords. This was the strings. This is how it sounded. So as you can see, I just kept it on repeating the same thing. I remember I tell you in most of my videos that GMS has one of the most best deep pads. So I picked this one. Check out how it sounded. As you can see, I kept on just repeating the same thing. Then I went to Citrus and I picked a double. It sounded like this. So as you can see, really simple. Then now the last thing that I added almost was in Morphine. You know already this. If you watch one of my videos, I use this a lot in my videos. Shine piano keyboard. muffin. This is how it sounded. So the first thing I went added the xylophone from the Flex. You already know I use this a lot. As you know, I always like playing it the same style. I added some Shakura and added the violin. As I tell you, most of my things I like using stock plugins. I don't know nothing new here. So this is Sakura. This is what I played. If I play it with the muffin sound, it will sound like this. As you can see, I added some crash to it. Then I added our favorite crash that I created. I reversed it. Went and added some wah wah guitar. It sounded like this. So as you can see, I kept repeating it once in a while. Then I added some rolls that I got from some Diamond Platinum kit, free kit that I got online. It sounded like this. Just remember I said this kind of dance will play like two basses. The first one sound like this. Then the second bass is sounding like this. You can see it was really simple. So now the whole beat is sounding like this.
Gabbyproscra made this shit.
I drop the beat. Then for here I reduced it, brought it back with a razor. The pad and the GMS. Played the wah wah guitar in the middle there. Then here where the rolls come, I reduced the here I was playing the violin here in the middle, really emotional and painful. The crash keeps going to keep it busy. There the xylophone works as a bridge. Bring back the drums. Bridge it with the drones. Crash down. So thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share. See you on the next video. Yup.